Hi, my name is Dr. Ian Schuman. I have a general reconstructive and aesthetic dental practice full-time here in Pasadena, Maryland. Here are some tips and tricks to help you make the process of relining your denture with SOFRELINER TOUGH much easier and simpler. Here's a tip and trick for primer application. The SOFRELINER kit comes with a brush for application of the primer to the denture base. It's important to apply 1 or 2 coats of primer only, as applying more of this material can actually decrease the bond strengths. It's also very important to place the primer over the borders in order to get good adhesion in those border or flange areas. Those are my tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully in the future you'll be a Tokiyama SOFRELINER user as well.